Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. My name is Seftin Ponamon and thank you for the opportunity given to me. Here I will explain related to my teaching plan. And here I choose to teach 10th grade high school students in the first semester. Here, I choose to teach speaking skills. So, I choose the task-based type of syllabus because my teaching plan, student will be given assignment to describe people, things, and characteristics. They will practice their assignment in front of the class orally to practice students' speaking skills. Okay, the basic competence is that students can describe people's, objects, and characteristics. Okay, the indicators that will be achieved by students include: first, cognitive. Students can compose words to describe a person's professions, nationality, characteristic, and describe an object. And the second is affective. It's communicative, hard work, and curiosity. And the third is social skills, is communicative and cooperative. Okay, next is learning objective. Students are expected to increase their gratitudes in learning, improve their social attitudes, honest, disciplined, confident, responsible, caring, cooperative, and peaceful, and be able to describe people's objects and characteristics. Okay, for the next is learning materials. The first is cardinal and ordinal numbers. As an example is 10, 20, and first. The second is adjective of quality. As an example is good and beautiful. And the third is adjective of size. As an example is big and small. And the fourth is adjective of shape. As an example is round and straight. And fifth is adjective of age. As an example is old and new. And the sixth is adjective of color. As an example is blue, green, and red. And the seventh is people, nationality, profession, and characteristic, and etc. As an example is John is an American and he is a very busy chef. And the eighth is adjective in series. As an example is a beautiful big U-shaped wooden house. Okay, the learning media that I will use is audio-visual motion, which is an example of a short video on my laptop. Okay, learning sources that I will use are modules and internet networks. Okay, next is learning method. I will use the demonstration method, where students will practice directly related to what they have learned. I choose this method because later, after I give an explanation of the material, students will immediately practice it directly. Okay, the study activities. In this learning activity, the time we will use in one meeting is 2 times 40 minutes. In the first 10 minutes, it will be open with greetings, praying, and I will check the attendance of the students. And explain a little about the material we will learn today. And next, in the core activities, which contains 60 minutes, I will play a short video about the material that I explained earlier. While the video is playing, I give students the opportunity to give important notes regarding examples of using sentences about describing people, things, and characteristics. After students watch the video, I will give some examples and allow my students to ask questions. After that, I will give the opportunity for students to describe objects. They will be like an advertisement star who will offer their product. Here their task is to describe the goods they will sell. Then they will describe their statements about the characteristic, nationality, age, hobbies, and whatever they can describe about their friends, according to the examples that have been given. They will do these activities in front of the class orally. In the last minutes, I will remind my students what we have learned together, and the lesson will be closed with a prayer and closing greetings. In my assessment, because I will teaching speaking, I will assess the pronunciation, the clarity of the student speaking, and the fluency of the student speaking. Okay, that's my teaching plan that I made according to the skills I will teach is speaking using the task-based syllabus. Sorry if I made mistakes in my explanation this time. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.